So tonight is white night. We've got in a little bit before 7 o'clock, so before opening time, just to show you what it looks like when it's not being completely packed. They've currently got a bit of decor going on. It's a bit blander than it normally is. During the Asian nights they had last night, they had balloons up and stuff like that. So it's a little bit more bland. They've got the banners up though. Yeah, looks a lot different when it's not completely packed full of people. Let's come back. Hey, hang on, what was that? If that's you singing and dancing, say hi in the comments. Let me know what you're singing and dancing to. Let's come back around here. Let's have a look again. Looks like lots of glasses over here. Glasses of wine or something. So it'll be interesting to see what's going on over there when the time comes. So around this table here, and you go white night tonight. So that is the main entrance over there. That's where most people are coming through. And tonight is white night. Let's have a look at what they've got set up over here. Okay, nice little area to sit down. So this is where they greet you with champagne. They give you one of these glasses full of champagne, so you've got a bit of bubbly before you come in. And they always have somewhere you can take some photos. And this is what they got set up tonight. It looks quite nice. Okay, and this is where the food is. Tonight is white night. And these are the specialities I'm having at the front here. I'm not sure which type of cuisine they're going for here. Maybe it's just for a European palate. I don't know. It looks like they might be doing some grilling, so you can have grilled panini and stuff. That looks quite nice. Hello. I'm good. Are you going to be grilling the grill? Oh, you've got toast there.
Yes.
I see.
Cheese and jumbo.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Thanks. Yeah. Thank you very much. Looks like they've got salads here, croutons, so you can have your own salads. They're all freshly cut. Look on this way. Freshly cut fruit. Looks like they've got pineapple, watermelon, and watermelon. This is the kids buffet, which is generally the same every night. You got fruit, you got the spaghetti stuff, some veggies, and some simple desserts. You've also got some sort of milkshake over there.
It's not the same every night.
It's very similar every night. You got some more desserts. You got baklava, lots of baklava. This looks like lots of Turkish desserts, which I'm going to be eating afterwards. You got a cold selection here. You got looks like rice pudding and stuff like that. And then you've got lots of cakes and gelatin type things. So these cakes look quite nice actually. And then you got a nice large selection of fruit. Okay, sit down here, see what there is. Looks like some sort of chicken, some sort of bird has been cooked. Some sort of toasty. They've got chips and the pasta station, so you can have your own pasta over here. Over around here, looks like they're making some popcorn. That would be quite nice. Hello. Popcorn is white, so it goes with the theme. Steak, hello.
Hello, beef?
Yeah.
I'm good, thank you. Roast beef. Roast beef. Vegetarian, no beef for me.
And no beef for me either, so. Thank you. Chicken, broccoli, rice.
This is like the dietary area?
So this is the dietary area, so any dietary requirements, people can go there. I think this carries on as well. We'll turn around, and they've got a very large selection of different salads you can have.
Some condiments.
And some condiments and garnishes to go with the salad as well. Let's look at some more hot food. We've got some rice with some sort of decor in it. Is that meant to be a space or something? veal stew, stuffed onions, stuffed chicken.
Okay.
Go around here.
Let me finish this bit and then you go.
Okay, we got fish. We got some veggies. Meatball sandal.
Meatball pop.
Meatball kofta. And potatoes. Go around here, see what there is. Okay, starting with that and go around. So we've got bitter with cheese, bitter with mince by looking things, big Turkish bread, and something in here. Let's see if it's in here yet. Yes it is. Maybe some sort of chicken. And over here, what we got? Fried zucchini, so aubergine? Courgette, sorry.
Okay,
lamb, grilled fish, and the usual chips. Move around here, have a look at this. Rice noodles. Oh, that's nice. Sauteed turkey. Okay. Dried bean meal. What does that mean? Oh, it's a bean curry basically. Chicken steak, literally just a chicken curry. Napoleon sauce, which is the sauce to go with the spaghetti.
Yeah, okay.
Let's go around here. But we got turkey dinner with sauce, so that's just the turkey curry. Turkey curry. Cooking eggplant, so that's going to be an eggplant curry. Cheese pied, which is just a bit of paste. That's not cheese. That's
inside, baby, but let's not worry about that.
cooking zucchini. Okay, and another curry.
Vegetable gratin.
Vegetable gratin, okay.
Eggplant dish.
Eggplant, which is an eggplant. Okay, so you got more salad, so you got chicken, cold. This is much more of a cold platter type thing they've got going on here. And I think, based on what I've seen here, it looks like it's all based on a European palette. Yep. Okay, fish. Yeah, I've already trained it, but yeah. And over here, we've got some salads that they're making fresh for you. Cutting up fresh.
Down to the bread.
Okay, one last thing, show you the bread. I like bread. Okay, so what have we got here? Lots of different types of bread, which you can slice on your own. Butter to go with it. And then a toaster so you can have some toast. And that is to go with some soups. What they got today? Mushroom soup, which is white, and a lentil soup, which is not white.
Very nice.
And lentil soup is quite nice. Okay, so that is it. Let's head back out the other entrance, exit. Maybe, it looks like it's called doner kebab maybe.
It does, doesn't it? But that's not white. There's something else.
Okay, I guess that'll be a surprise when we actually get to eat it.
Okay.
Okay. And we're out towards the kids' restaurant. So this is the kids' restaurant, a la carte area. Thank you. And you can see here.
So you've locked this in.
Thank you. And you can see people have already assembled.